In front of me is REALME GT 70 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening device's settings. Now tap on connection and sharing right away. Choose print over here. And when you're ready, click on the footprint service. Now tap on gray switcher at the top right corner. And wait, your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. If you still can't connect for some reason, you can always use this plus at the top right corner of the footprint service. And click on search by IP address. Input it here and tap on add. If your printer has Wi-Fi direct feature, click on search over here. And if you see any kind of pop-up about location, allow it. You can also go back, disable the footprint service, go back one more time and tap on Add Print Service over here. Then download one that fits your printer. Wait for it to be ready and go back to the same settings. As you can see, it will appear over here. So just click on it. Make sure this switcher is blue and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!